Alright, what is up guys? CodeBro29 is back with a brand new video. In today's video, we're going to be doing part 4 to our Royal High series. Today we will be finishing that up. First off, I want to say I apologize while I'm fixing my layout. I want to just first off apologize. I haven't uploaded in a little while. I've been pretty busy with, finals, that sort of stuff, but we are here for a new video. This is going to be this week's video. I know it's not on Saturday, but it's going to be the video for this week. First off, go ahead and grab the kit. This was an attempt, but this is the new one. The link for this kit will be in the description. Royal High Part 4, and go ahead and drag it into your game. Now, this is just a GUI. It is nothing other than that, but that's okay because that's what we need. So we can place this into Starter GUI. And for the first thing you'll notice is we have this little avatar editor in the corner. And if you don't like where it's placed, you could just, scale it down a little bit so it doesn't get in the way of the roleplay name. And you have this open and close avatar editor button and all that sort of stuff, okay? So that's looking good, and you'll notice we have a shirts and pants right here, okay? So there are two sections to the avatar editor, and one of them changes your pants and one changes your shirts, okay? So we have all this working fine. Let's go ahead and set this up. So this episode will have the smallest script you've probably ever written on the channel, but insert a script into server script service, and we will call this script avatar editing. Okay, and then one more thing, let me just double check what it is called. We need to reinsert a remote event, but it has to be a specific type. Change outfit. Okay, that's what it needs to be called. So insert a remote event inside of server script replicated storage, and it's going to be called change outfit. Like this, okay? Change outfit. Now all we have to write here is we can say game.replicatedStorage.changeOutfit, not child added, .changeOutfit.onServerEvent connect function, function, there we go. And then we can say player, type, type of clothing, okay? And then we can say if type of clothing, not then, but if type of clothing equals to string shirt, then we know they're going to have a shirt, okay? So here, if you're confused, all that I've done is inside of this frame, I have this image button, this right here that has the pants, and inside of the local script, we fire this remote event that passes through that we are changing their pants, and we are and what we are going to be putting on them, and then this one changes their shirt and the shirt ID, okay? So let's start with the shirt. Here we can just say player, well, first we can just check to see if player dot character, then, and we can say player dot character dot shirt template equals to type of clothing, okay? And then outside of this if statement right here, well, not outside, but as an else, we can just copy this line of code that we've just made inside of this if statement, paste it here, and then we can just say dot pants right here, because we have, the pants, and then instead of shirt template, we'll just say pants template. Okay, and that should literally be it. Okay, I made a mistake here. We have type of clothing, but we also have the ID. So we need to say comma ID, and instead of equals type of clothing, we need to say ID. If you tested it out with me, you'll have some shocking results. Please make sure it's ID. Do not want your game to get banned, because I realize that we are passing through three things, actually. When we pass through the remote event, we're passing through the shirt, we're passing through the player, actually, the shirt, the player's by default, the shirt, or the type, and then what the template is, okay? So, let's go ahead and try that again. Now, that should work just fine, and then I'm going to show you guys how you can add your very own clothing to the avatar editor. So we can go ahead and change our shirt to this Spider-Man shirt. looks good. And these pants as well, and we have our very own avatar editor. And here's our flying animation that I did not do well with, but I'm sure you guys are much better editors. And then, yeah, so we've got that working all fine for us. We've got the clothing, and now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you can add custom clothes to this avatar editor. Alright, so now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go onto Roblox.com and go ahead and go into the avatar shop. Here you can look over to the left and you can see clothing. Click that and then click on either shirts or pants. I'll show you shirts first, but it's the same process. So let's click on shirts. And here you can choose what shirt you would like to put in your avatar editor, alright? So we can, maybe we want to, I don't know, put this like sweatshirt, this hoodie in, and we can do that. So, yeah, and then all we're going to do is we're going to go into the link up at the top, click it, and then go ahead and take this number ID right there and Control C. And once you're back into Roblox Studio, go ahead and open up Roblox Studio again, make the main frame visible. Go ahead and make the pants frame invisible and the shirts frame visible. And here you can just take this image button and hit Control D or Command D if you're on a Mac to duplicate it, and you'll create this brand new thing right here. All you have to do is paste that ID into the shirt template right here that we created, or that's inside of this new image button, and you can give it a name as well, so maybe a hoodie, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to head over to Roblox.com really fast, and click 2D, and then take a screenshot of just this, then head back into Studio, and then you're going to click on hoodie, and scroll down, and where it says image, click that and click add image right here, and you'll be able to select an image from your computer, and that should work just fine. The same process is done with the pants. I'm sure you can figure it out. You just copy the ID and you make the pants frame visible, duplicate this button, name it if you want, and then change the pants template to the numbers, to the number that was in that link for the pants, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, make sure to please do hit that subscribe button because it will really help me a lot. And thank you so much for almost 4,500 subscribers. We might have hit it already. So thank you for that. We are on our way to 5,000, on our way to, who knows, 10,000. So, guys, thank you to all my subscribers. Let me know what you want to see for future videos in the comments below, because this is the last episode for the Royale High series. I know it's been fun, but all series have to end somewhere. And, yeah, I need more ideas for later on. I will have a fun video that'll be coming out pretty soon. I plan on no spoilers for that, but it'll be fun, trust me. So, that is pretty much gonna end this series. So yeah, thank you guys for watching,